Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if location services not working on your iPhone. If you are also facing such type of issue, location services not working properly on your iPhone, then here are the fixes. Various workarounds, apply any one of them. Open settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and look for the option privacy and security. Tap on it. Here go to location services and make sure that location services is duly turned on. So if you found it in already in turn mode on mode, then turn off and again after some times turn on location services. So disable or enable location services on your iPhone. This is the first and initial workaround you must apply, and check whether location services on your iPhone working or not. If not, and if you are facing location services regarding any app, then open particular app and change settings, either always when using the app and also turn on precise location against each app. And check whether location services on your iPhone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here go to general settings. Here scroll down and you will find date and time. Tap on it and disable set automatic date and time and manual change date and time. You must ensure that your iPhone having correct date and time and automatic time zone also enabled. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on screen time. Tap on it, scroll down and go to content and privacy restrictions. Here under privacy tap on location services and make sure that location services is enabled or permitted here. Go back and check whether your iPhone location service is working or not. If not, one more fixes. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Tap on cellular. Here tap on cellular data option. Here tap on data mode and choose low data mode. Change data mode to low data mode and again after some times choose standard data mode. Thereafter go to battery settings. Here make sure that low power mode is not enabled. Disable it and again enable it. Thereafter go to next settings. On the same settings page tap on cellular and go to data mode and choose standard data mode. So first choose low data mode and load power data off and again on. The next one is tap on settings again and here tap on general settings. Here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here tap on reset again and here choose reset location and privacy. Tap on it. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and again choose reset settings. So resetting of your privacy and location settings will definitely be resolved your issue. If not, one more fixes you must apply. Tap on settings again. Here tap on general settings and tap on software update and checking for updates. If any iOS update available, you must download and install now. Sometimes outdated iOS may be a cause of various type of services such as location services not working properly on your iPhone, so you